Hi, I'm Scott Schumacher. We get a lot of questions about setting up new sites in a controller. So today we're going to show you how to do it using Trimble Siteworks. First thing we're going to do is start our Siteworks program. Once the program opens up, it brings it to the Open Project screen automatically. We're going to start by hitting plus next to project. And we're going to name our site. Test site. You have to know what your units are. In this case, we're survey foot. Options are meters, international feet, or survey foot. We're survey foot. Our angles are degrees. We use point, northing, easting, elevation, description, north and east for grid coordinate, north for azimuth, and choose whatever type of stationing format you need. And hit next. So to start, you always want to make sure if you're going to calibrate a site that you not have the select coordinate system box checked. Okay, I've already inserted my USB that has all of my files on it. You want to make sure that you have a CSV file in point, northing, easting, elevation, description, coordinate order ready to go on your USB, and that will be the only thing we will add here. So we'll check our coordinate point, tap to select the file in the gray box, make sure we hit the drop down and choose our USB, find where the file is on your USB, double click, find your control point file. In this case, it is Meridian Yard Control. Hit accept, and we've now selected our control point file and hit finish. Next thing it asks you to do is create a new work order. We will hit plus next to the work order, and this is the task we're going to perform. In this case, we're going to be setting up a new site. So we'll call it Set Up New Site. And hit finish. You don't have to have a design to calibrate your site, which is what we'll do in the next videos to come. But since we have one, we're going to go ahead and put it in. So we're going to hit the plus next to design. We're going to name it. We'll call it Meridian Yard. And then we're going to select our design file. You'll check mark the box, hit the gray box next to it, find where that is saved on your USB, double click, there it is, hit accept, and we need to select our line work. Check mark the box, hit the gray box next to it, go into our USB Meridian Yard folder, double click, there is our TTM. So if you notice that the design file is a TTM, the line work is a DXF. Make sure you choose the TTM for the design if that's what it is, DXF for the line work. Hit finish. Once you have everything entered in, you can hit accept. And that is how you create a new site with Trimble Siteworks.